In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make productivity increase Google Sheet. We'll build a simple, reliable tracker you can use every day to stay on top of tasks and see your progress at a glance. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Something like 2026 Productivity Tracker works great. In the first row, set up your structure. From left to right, type these headers: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Select that top row and make it bold so it stands out as your header. Now let's make the category column meaningful. You'll use it to group where your work happens. Good examples include client work, content creation, admin, sales or prospecting, and personal. As you add tasks, choose a category that best fits. This context helps you spot where your time is going and what's driving results. To keep priorities consistent, add a drop-down to the priority column. Select the entire priority column, go to Data, then Data Validation, and add a drop-down with high, medium, and low. This makes it fast to rank what matters and filter your day. Do the same for the status column. Create a drop-down with Not Started, In Progress, Completed, and Follow Up. Keeping these statuses consistent is key to clean reporting later. Let's add a visual boost so wins pop out. Select the status column, open format, then conditional formatting. Create a rule that checks if the text is completed and set a green fill. Now, as soon as you mark something completed, it's instantly highlighted, making progress visible at a glance. Below your main table, create a simple daily summary so you can measure output. Add a line for total tasks and use the formula outCount B2 B100 to count how many tasks you've listed. Add completed tasks with uCountF E2 E100 completed to tally what's done. Then calculate completion rate with alsCount E2 completed. County A B2 B100. Format that cell as a percentage so it's easy to read. If you see a divide by zero error, it just means there are no tasks listed yet. Finally, create a new sheet tab named Weekly Summary. Use it to track totals for the week, how many you completed, which tasks directly supported revenue, and any missed deadlines. This weekly view helps you reflect, adjust priorities, and plan the next sprint with clarity. That's your productivity tracker. Simple to maintain, easy to read, and powerful for daily and weekly reviews.